Hi, I'm Ashok Katsur, co-founder, LegalDesk.com, Bangalore. The problem what you're trying to solve here is legal contract execution, which means you need a stamp duty payment, you need to replace a wet signature. If you are trying to execute any contract within the city or between the two cities, which essentially means about 7 to 10 days of activity, which is not really efficient, also it's a very time consuming. Plus, it costs you anything between $1 to $1.5 per contract execution. Today, our rapid process automation for the business essentially helps you in terms of bringing down the whole execution to less than 5 minutes, also very cost effective method. In the sense that we are trying to help them with the efficiency, also a very efficient method or a less price in terms of executing the same contract. Today, particularly in the fintech space, they do a huge number of contract execution because of the asset products, where we are able to help them in terms of bringing down to less than 5 minutes as against about 5 to 10 days in terms of executing a contract. Because it's become very critical for the business, because it's a very competitive environment where the fintech space, the new fintech companies are using a technology in terms of executing the loans less than 30 seconds. So this is a very value proposition what we're trying to offer, and we see a huge response. And at the moment, we work with quite a lot of big organizations across India. Thank you so much.